Commercial vehicle specialists, Scammell Commercials has upgraded its lifting facilities with workshop equipment from Totalkare. The Essex-based firm offer commercial vehicle MOT testing, vehicle hire, roadside assistance, and on-site repair services for light commercial and heavy-duty vehicles. The company has acquired 2 sets of T8DC cable-free mobile column lifts to provide 2 additional lifting bays when required. Fully mobile, the cable-free column lifts can be wheeled into storage to make way for other services when not in use. Working in sets of 4, 6 or 8, each column has a capacity of 7,500 kilograms, providing Scammell Commercials with the possibility of lifting 60,000 kilograms across 4 axles. Totalkare were able to deliver and install the ideal workshop for Scammell Commercials to continue delivering service and maintenance for all types of commercial vehicles.